This video will show you how to use the SJ30 control center. After powering on the camera, swipe down on the screen to open the control center. 1. Switch lens. Tap the day and night icon to switch between the daylight lens and starlight lens. 2. Wi-Fi. Tap Wi-Fi icon to turn Wi-Fi on or off. 3. Voice control. Tap the voice control icon to enable voice control. Say the command, start recording to begin recording. Say the command, stop recording to end recording. 4. Portrait and landscape switching. Tap the portrait or landscape icon to switch to portrait mode. Tap again to switch back to landscape mode. 5. Playback. Tap playback icon to browse photos and videos. 6. Wireless microphone. Tap wireless microphone icon to enable or disable the wireless microphone. 7. Image stabilization. Tap stabilization icon to select the stabilization mode you need. 8. Audio noise reduction. Tap audio noise reduction icon to turn audio noise reduction on or off. Swipe left in the control center. 9. Screen lock. Tap the screen lock icon to turn off the screen. The camera can still record normally, even when the screen is locked. You can swipe up to wake the screen. 10. Operation sounds. Tap operation sounds icon to turn operation sounds on or off. 11. Brightness adjustment. Tap brightness adjustment icon. You can slide left or right to adjust the screen brightness. 12. Indicator light. Tap the indicator light icon to turn the indicator light on or off.